bucket weighs like close to 50 pounds and it's miserable to carry around until now. So did I think the day would ever come that I'd be talking about handles that you install on a bucket? I did not, but I have to say Nikki found these and these things are freaking genius. And it was interesting why she found them. Now I've used these buckets forever to carry things around, and I've actually carried around rocks and dirt and tons of water in them and stuff. And the more you put in it, the more this handle hurts to carry, and eventually it breaks and it is an absolute mess. So what if I told you you could add a handle to this? That is a legit freaking handle, and it is so easy to do. Let me just show you how to do it. All you do is you hook this on the bottom, lift up and snap it up, and this thing is really locked in place. Now let me tell you real world use. So the beautiful Miss Nicole, if you watch this channel, you know she does amazing pottery. But if you're into pottery, you will know that that freaking clay weighs a ton. And so she goes to and from pottery class, and this, like a similar sized bucket, weighs like close to 50 pounds. And it's miserable to carry around until now when we found these. And it is like, it has made it so I can easily lift it up and in and out of the car for her, or if she needs to go to her friend's house to do some pottery or something like that, they can easily pick it up with these, even, and it makes it easy. Think about two ladies, they just one on either side, they each take a handle, they carry it somewhere. It is so much better. So if you're tired of trying to lug around heavy buckets, these things are an absolute game changer. They actually work. So if you want to get one, there's a link right here on the screen. Worst case, it is down there in the description. You cannot possibly lose with that. We bought these ourselves. It's not sponsored at all. And if you use that link, it helps out the channel a little bit. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it makes it so we can get more cool gadgets like this to come and share that information with you. And if you valued that information, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because we're going to try to find more cool gadgets like this to talk about with you. If you have any questions about it, put it in the comments. I hope this has been helpful. See you next time.